I spent over £1,000 on my 30th birthday, and here are my thoughts on why. And before I begin, I know this amount might seem a lot for some people and not that much for others, but I'm not usually someone who splurges on just one day. But this birthday, it felt like every single pound that I was spending was either for my past self, my current self, or my future self. So, coming to the major part of the spending, here's a little backstory. When I was around 15 or 16, I remember my uncle taking the whole family out to a resort for a day or two where he built the entire thing. And I remember that those days being so much fun. And it was something that stuck with me because I was like, it is so cool for someone to earn money and then spend it on bringing their family and people together, even if it's just for a few days. And that's something that I always wanted to do, which stuck with me for, I would say, the last 15 years. And that's basically where most of the spending went, which was in booking an Airbnb for a few of my close friends, where I took them to Devon in the English Riviera just to spend a few days for my birthday. This is something that I held really close to my heart because it was something that I was doing for my past self, where I could make my inner child and my 15-year-old self happy. The smallest amount of this money went towards buying clothes and accessories for the trip. So I know this might sound a bit superficial, but it is something that is really important to me. I spent the last year or so working on my physical, mental, and emotional health. I've struggled with a lot of poor body image over the last few years, but this year I am finally in a place where I am so proud of how much strength my body has shown by working out consistently in the gym and on my nutrition. So I wanted to feel confident, the feeling of wearing clothes that I feel confident in, and just dressing up and feeling great on this one day and owing it to my current self for working this hard to get here. So this was a gift that I kind of gave to my current self. And the last part of this amount was spent on a gift for myself on my 30th birthday, which was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is a camera that's been on my wish list for years. It was never a spontaneous or spur of the moment purchase. When it came to my birthday, I was kind of thinking of something that I would want to gift myself. And this felt so perfect for the moment because it felt like I was not only buying it right now, but I was investing in my future self. I know that I'm going to enjoy creating a lot of content, whether it's on my travels, for my social media, for YouTube. It just brings me so much joy. This is basically a gift for my future self, just for enjoying and creating content like I do. And this was the third part of the purchase, which was a gift for my future self. So the question that comes up a lot is, could I have spent this money on something different? Yes, I could have. I could have bought the new iPhone. I could have saved this money. I could have used it for a flight back home. But sometimes spending money is not all about finding the cheapest option or just accumulating it. I think experiences are as important, and investing in your future self and caring and doing something for your past and current self also make a very big impact on your life.